Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to resolve the no posts available issue on Facebook. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap your profile picture icon to access your profile. For example, if I select the View As option to check my profile from someone else's perspective, I scroll down and you'll notice it says no posts available on my profile. Now, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Start by returning to your profile page. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Activity Log. Next, tap on Your Facebook Activity. Scroll down until you find the Posts section.
Click on Posts, Photos, and Videos.
You'll now see all your posts. To fix the visibility issue, check the Select All box. Then, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Change Audience.
Click Change Audience again.
Now set the audience to public and tap Change. The problem should now be fixed, and your posts will be visible on your profile again. Let's double check by going back to the View As option to check how my profile appears to others. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications for future tutorials. As you can see, all of my posts are now visible on my Facebook profile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.